Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. SUDDHO makes these great silicone bottles for all of your shampoos, conditioners, lotions, your toiletries, whatever you need it for. And we took these recently to a cruise that we were going on. I had read some reviews about the cruise that they didn't have the best shampoo and they didn't have any conditioner. So I made sure that I brought 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners, and it worked out perfectly. What I love about these is that it has a tight fitting lid here, so we had no spillage as we were bringing these over in our suitcase. And I also really like that you can get out every last drop of what you need because these squish down to size, and it was also very easy to fill these. And then when I got back, it was super easy to just go ahead and rinse these out, and I have them stored in my closet for the next trip we take. I like the different colors so that you can know what you're putting in which one. But then also it does come with labels, so you can put anything from sunscreen to your soaps, your facial cleanser, makeup remover. They are 3 ounces each, the perfect size, the perfect traveling size if you're going on a flight. So I would definitely recommend these. I'm very happy with this purchase and they worked out perfectly for us, but that's just my point of view.